Hello, good morning children. Welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Children, we were dealing with the chapter 11, that is marketing management. We are about to wind up this chapter with the last type of marketing mix, that is promotion. We already saw in our previous classes three of the marketing mix. They were product, price and physical distribution. Today let us discuss the fourth type of marketing mix, that is promotion. Promotion consists of activities through which an organization communicates to its potential customers about its products and persuade them to buy the product. So it is through promotion that the organization communicates to its customer about the product and induces them or persuades them to buy the product. Promotion aims at achieving the following objectives. The first objective is to provide information about a product to the customers. Through this promotional activity, the organization they inform about the product to the customers. The second objective is to highlight the relevant features and utility of the product. So, through this promotion activity, they can demonstrate the features and the uses or utility of the product. The third objective is to differentiate the product from the product of their competitors. So, differentiation can be made about the product from the competitor's product, for which promotion as a tool can be used to increase sales of the product. So the fourth objective of promotion is to increase the sale of the product. Now let us understand what is promotion mix. Promotion mix is the combination of promotional tools used by an organization to communicate and persuade customers to buy its product. So, promotion mix is the combination of the tools used by the organization in which they can induce or persuade customers to buy their product. So, more than one tool is used when we are talking about the promotion mix. There are four elements of promotion mix. They are, first one is advertising, second one is personal selling, third one is sales promotion, and the fourth one is public relation. Advertising. Advertising is a paid form of non-personal communication with an identified sponsor to promote the product. So, advertising is a paid form in which there is no personal communication between the audience and this company are not in a personal communication. It is a non-personal mode of communication where we will have an identified sponsor who will be promoting the product. The second element of promotion mix is personal selling. Personal selling or salesmanship is the face-to-face presentation of a product to a prospective customers by a salesman. So when we make use of a salesman in which there is face-to-face presentation about the product and the utility of the product to the prospective customers, it is known as personal selling. The third element of promotion mix is sales promotion. Sales promotion is a method under which various incentives are offered to promote the sale. So to increase the sale, various incentives are offered by the company. For example, sometimes in a product you can see extra quantities offered by a company. So that is all sales promotion techniques. We can see an offer like for when you purchase 2 products you will get 1 free. That is also a sales promotion technique. So there are a number of techniques which are used to increase the sales of product. The fourth point is public relation. Public relation means developing a favorable public image of a company and its product through a variety of programs. So a company sometimes through variety of programs, they try to create a favorable image of the company and their product. So that is also one way of increasing the sale. So public relation is a method used in promotion mix to increase the sale of the product. So let us conclude today's class. Today we saw what is promotion. We know that promotion is one of the fourth element of marketing mix. Then we studied promotion mix. It's a combination of different tools used to increase the sale of a product. Then we saw elements of promotion mix. There are 4 elements in promotion mix. They are advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, and public relation. So you have to go through the points from the textbook, read the textbook and understand the concept and study well. A test paper is attached related to this topic. You have to attend the test paper. So we will meet again with a new chapter. Till then, goodbye.